Hey everybody, welcome to Science on the Spot from the Discovery Science Place. Today we're going to be doing a favorite of our kitchen chemistry camps. We're going to be making some slime. So I'm going to switch cameras for us, have everything laid out, and we will get started. All right, so first thing we're going to do is you want to have your child squeeze about 4 ounces of glue into a glass bowl. It doesn't actually have to be glass. Looks cooler if it is though. And so I'm going to go ahead and get this poured into my bowl here. And then we're going to mix in about 4 ounces of warm water. And then you can add some food coloring if you desire. If you don't, you're just going to have a white slime. And I'm going to go with white slime today. We're going to stir that up really good. All right, we're going to let that sit for just a second. And then I'm going to take another half cup of water, give or take. Add a little bit more there. And then we're going to mix in 1 tablespoon of borax. And it's better if you can use warm water. It will allow the things to mix a little bit quicker, but it's not required. So we're going to get that stirred up till we get all the pieces broken up in it. There's some recipes that allow you to use contact lens solution. It has tetraborate in it, which is a similar chemical, and it will work pretty much the same. So now that we've got that mixed up, we're going to slowly add it into our glue mixture. And we're going to mix it again. And as we mix it, and remember, this is slime, it's going to be messy. As you mix it, you'll notice that you will start to make some slime. All right, that's your Science on the Spot. Stay curious, everybody.